Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel ABAP Genius. In today's video, let us discuss about consuming a CDS view in ALV IDA. We already know what is ALV in our classical ABAP programming, but in our ABAP and HANA, that ALV is modified and with a better version which is called as ALV IDA. For that, let me simply create one CDS view. So I'm creating one CDS view and we can consume this CDS view in our ALV IDA. Let us see how we can achieve this. And IDA means integrated data access, and it is a huge concept. Like we have lot of functionalities available as our regular ALV. So if you want a particular series about ALV IDA, please do let me know in the comments so that I will do the series on ALV IDA. And this ALV IDA helps us to get the data faster, and instead of getting the data required, whatever the data we have to display, it won't get all the data into the internal table. Instead, it will get the data whatever is appearing to us in the sequential manner. So I'm just doing a select on VBAK table, and I'm fetching three fields here. So our CDS view is ready now. Let us run this CDS view to see the data. Okay, we have some data here with 40 rows. Now let us consume the CDS view in our ALV IDA. How we can do is, we can create one report program. Let me create one report. Now my report program is also ready. There is one class called as CLSALV GUI table IDA. This is the class we have to use for consuming our CDS view in ALV. We can consume either CDS view or the database table directly without doing a select. That is the beauty of this ALV IDA. So let me write this class first. CLSALV GUI table IDA. And if I do control space, I'm getting two methods: create for CDSU and DB capabilities. So first you have to do is DB capabilities. You have to check whether your database is supported for using this ALV IDA class or not. Later you have to use the other two methods based on our usage, whether it is a CDS view or it is a table. So let me just do control space. You will be getting the data here, and based on that we have to go with the other, like create for CDS to or create. This is the one we have to check. Like sometimes it will cause the dumps if your DB is not capable of using this table IDA. So that's why you have to check. But I know that my DB is and my version of SAP is supporting this table IDA. So I'm just directly doing this one. We have create is for table, which is the table name, importing parameters, and this is the returning one, and we have some exceptions rising. And if you just hover over this create for CDS view, we have CDS view name. These two we have. So I want create for CDS view, just do shift enter. It will get all the data, whatever we have to fill. Now let me uncomment this one. Now I have to provide my CDS view name. Here I will get the CDS view name, whatever we have created, and I will provide it over here. Now I don't want all these things. I'm just commenting, and receiving parameter I need. So I'm just getting that parameter here only, which is GVALB IDA. I have to declare this one, GVALB IDA, and it is of type. If we go to this class, we can find out the type of this receiving parameter. Okay, since we don't have we have some error coming over here, we are not able to open this one. Okay, okay, now it is opened. It is for create for CDSU. This is the one, and this is of type if SALV GUI table IDA. So I'm giving it over here. I'm doing uncomment. So our CDS view is ready with the integration of ALV IDA. Let us uncomment these exceptions also. We can just write. Okay, there is no try block. Let us introduce the try block here. Our CDS view is ready for the ALV IDA, but it is not, it won't display because we are not writing the code for display yet. We have just integrated with our ALV IDA. For displaying it, we have to use this receiving parameter, which is GVALV IDA. So I'm using this GVALV IDA, and we have some method which is called as full screen, and in that full screen we have some other method for displaying, which is display. This is the one. So it will display the data of your CDS view using the ALV IDA. We have lot of concepts available in this ALV IDA. Like we can create the field catalog. We can use the text, like searching for the text in the output of an ALV. We can do the interactive ALV. We can add the buttons in the output. We can pass the parameters and select options also to this ALV. All the things are available in this ALV IDA. If you just do explore this one, we will be having several methods available inside this one. So this is the interface, and you observe we have set select options, field catalog, and we have display options, layout persistence, selection, how many rows it has selected. We can mention the layout, what is the default layout it has to appear. We have free toolbar, we have condition factory, standard functions we can give. So we do have many functions available in this ALV IDEA, and it is very much faster than our regular ALV. So let us run this program. Okay, it has returned some data which is already there. I will just clear the console and run it again. Since we have ran it as an ABAP application, it is going to GUI, and you can see the data over there. Like this is the data whatever we are getting in our CDS view also. And if you observe, it is returning as ALV idea. This is the description we gave to our CDS view, and number of records it is coming automatically. This is how your ALV IDA works. So if you want this series ALV IDA, I can do that if you are interested. So please do comment if you want this particular series in detail. We do have lot of functions available, lot of knowledge we can get. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more useful content.